tastes really good. I really hope you do give this recipe a big thumbs up and do give the recipe a try. So authentic. Almost. The tip to make this jerk chicken is to cook it on a very slow or low heat. It has to have lots of charcoal, preferably wood, and it's the wood that gives the smoke to the chicken, and that makes it jerk chicken. And the chicken gets all the smoke in, and the seasoning that we put in that brings together and makes it very, very tasty jerk chicken. You have to baste this chicken with the remainder of the sauce that you have, the paste that you made, every so often to enhance the flavor. And do it on both sides of the chicken. The chicken is about ready. It's on a very low heat. And it smells really good. It smells just like jerk chicken, the way it's supposed to. smells really good. This chicken is fork tender. Oops. And it's cooked all the way. It's even cooked to the bone, and that's how it's supposed to be. It tastes really good. I really hope you do give this recipe a big thumbs up and do give the recipe a try with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you next time.